Waterfall. Winding down the river in between the low grasslands, your pale legs just like scissors in the water as you hold my hand. Say you understand. All along the riverbank, people stop and stare. We cling to this wooden plank and pity their despair. Why should we care? Now I'm headed toward the waterfall with you. Yeah, I'm headed toward the waterfall with you. We met in a city where no one ever knew our names. Told you you were pretty and you said I had no shame. Your eyes of flame. Now the sun shines in the sky above, the water's cool and bright. Reflected in your eyes is love and all the world is right. I feel no fright, though I'm headed toward the waterfall with you. Yeah, I'm headed toward the waterfall with you. You know that what I see is true. Nothing in this crazy world is new. So down, down, down into the blue with you, with you. The roar of rushing water pushing us down the street is growing ever louder. No one can hear us scream. It's like a dream, and I'm headed toward the waterfall with you. Yeah, I'm headed toward the waterfall